Hello, my little sunflowers, and welcome back to Blueprints. We're gonna hop into day 5. There are a couple of things I wanted to do today. I want to go check the gem cave that we unlocked. And then we have a file cabinet key and code check that might be worth getting. And then the words that are in a different font than the other ones are bridge, buried, and beside. So buried beside bridge, I guess. So I'd like to get a shovel because I think we have a bridge outside. So let's start with heading towards the gem cave to see if there's anything in there. Because I unlocked it, but I never went in. And knowing this game, there's more than likely something in there. We had 90 steps to start the day because we ended with a sauna last time. So that's gonna be wonderful and juicy. Alright, we've got a note. Here's the last of the equipment for the new mine. I don't think we're going to need more than this, especially if we're going to limit excavation to 2 stones per day. I was told by the engineer that getting greedier than that might risk the structural integrity of the cave walls, so I suppose we'll have to adhere to his expert opinion, at least for now. We managed to remove all but 1 minecart from the old tunnels, 2 of which were too rusted and worn down to be of any use to us up here. So Dave went ahead and made the call to scrap them. I'm not sure that the foreman is going to be too happy about that, but hopefully you can smooth it over. Now there's still 1 more cart down there, but it's locked on a short track and it's way too difficult to move from the reservoir side. It's a little bit awkward because it's blocking the passage, so I suggest someone move it from the other side if they can get over there. The boss informed us that there are 2 other ways into the site from that side, but I think we're going to leave that for someone else to finish up if the old man really wants it done. Oh! Ooh, a flame! Okay, let's go. We only need 2 more. Okay, so it was worth going back in there. Cool. Go on and go through here. So I'm thinking it's beside this bridge. I just need a shovel. Let's see. Well, this would be cool if we had a shovel, but we don't start with a shovel. Let's get the trading post. I have no items to trade. That's fair. Dynamite? Little too dangerous to pick up. Oh, what's this? A box? Okay, so I want them yellow. Boom. Easy. Ooh, an allowance token. Let's go. Hell yeah. reminder. I broke these, right? There should be a... Can I trade this? Because I don't know what it's for. Wonder if I could trade it for something good to start this day off with. We're using a bit of our steps, but like I said, we started with the sauna, so we got an extra 20 to start the day. So we've still got plenty. Oh, okay. Coin purse? I mean, okay. Can I trade that for dice? I'll keep the coin purse for now. If I feel like I need those dice, I can always come back. I'm glad I grabbed that allowance token in the trading post before I picked that up because it counted as our allowance. So we started with 4 coins instead of 2. That was nice. Let's see here. What am I trying to draft today? I still need to figure out the letters that each room signify on like each row. I have crack 8 safes as the last 3 rows, but I don't know the top part. So I feel like it has something to do with those safes that we have opened in wherever we open those. Let's go with the storeroom here. Hallway seems good. Gives us options. We like options here. I'm gonna take the corridor. We'll come back to that and see if we can get something here. I want to get the commissary, but I don't know if I want to get the commissary now. So we'll go with a nook and get a key. Maybe take another look at this note. Beside. It's still pretty early. I don't really want to get the chapel because I want to use the fact that we have the coin purse. So maybe we just get some steps. Sometimes there's an item in here, like now, car keys. Okay. We've already looked at that. Okay, so we'll swing back around to this corridor. Den gives us a ton of options, that's great. Den has a pawn in it. I need to look at the... Oh, terrace would actually be really good. It's a dead end, but like... Let's go with that. Is there maybe a cheeky shovel in here? Hell yes! Alright. We're in business now. A free courtyard kinda goes hard. Ooh, metal detector. Okay. Potential for more coins and key pebbles. Cool. Thanks. That helps. The key, that's nice, that's nice. You don't have a key card or the utility closet. Maybe I do chapel here, but I'm not gonna go in. I'm actually gonna head back to the entrance hall and see about going left. I wonder if I can... I don't really want to waste the steps, but like, I have the shovel now. What if I can dig up whatever's by this bridge over here? Oh? Hey, another microchip. Okay, let's see if I can trade that in for something. Compass. Yes. 100% yes. I think that's all I'll do, though, for now. Compass is huge. Oh, this is... Ooh. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's spare room it so we can get over to that corner. Kitchen, bedroom. Let's just do bedroom for now. Ooh, sleeping mask. That's cool. Help with our step economy. That's always good. Pantry or commissary? Let's go with the commissary here. Ooh, money. Let's go. What can we get? Sledgehammer? Okay. Easy. That drained us of all our money, so let's not worry about the commissary anymore for now. Security would... I would need the... I'm gonna hold off on security for now, and I'm gonna grab the pantry for a couple more coins. And a banana. Ooh, banana. Rumpus room. That's 8 coins. It's a lot of coins. Sure, let's take it. Okay, is there anything else in here that I can touch? Oh, insert coin? To a fortune teller guy? Sure, let's do it. Holy crap!
And, as it was foretold, I am awakened at the sound of a dropping coin. You find yourself face to face with the great Alzara. And I suspect you wish me to look into your future.
I mean, that's generally what these machines do, right?
The image is becoming clear. I see a boy standing on a shore of white sand. He is looking for something he was told he would not find. I see a black cat tied to a red flag.
Baby.
I foreseen by the great Alazara.
Bunch of cryptic crap, if you ask me.
Following day, I will have nothing more to say.
Okay. Well, I don't really know what a whole lot of that means, so, you know. It's cool, I guess. This is an R, tie and tier. Alright, well, I want to turn left, I think. Five, 10, 13, 4, 12, 8. Or wait, 16 minus 11 is 5. 10 minus 5 is 5 times 4 is 20. 12 minus 3 is 9 times 1 is 9. Cool. We're doing really well on keys right now, which we need to use. Excuse me. I don't really want a dead end here, but I do want the garage. Just not yet. Let's go with the parlor. Anything in here other than the logic puzzle? Alright. The black box is empty. The black box is true. The black box is black. Thanks! Let's see. Well, this is obviously true. The black box is indeed black. So let's function under the assumption that these both are false then? Or this is false. Let's try this black. I feel like they're in the black box. Yay! West Wing Hall. Yes, more options. Always good. Any BBs? No. Now I could totally do a garage here. Yeah! Heck yeah! Can't open that, but we do have the car keys. Let's see what we get. Oh, an upgrade disc! Hell yes! Super worth it. That's awesome. I'm also getting some BBs. Or was the BBs in the car? Oh, no. Little coin. Alright, I think that's it as far as the garage goes, but that was pretty big. We got a ton of keys and we got an upgrade disc, so now we need security or some terminal to be able to use it. Let's go drawing room for options. I still don't know this puzzle. My mom said to try the time. So what? It's... Oh, the clock is moving though. I feel like that wouldn't make sense. Key. Cool, cool. I think maybe security here. I don't super want to spend my gems, but I also don't want a dead end. I don't have the gems for a passageway. Utility closet would actually work pretty well with security, although we've already bypassed that security door that was in the courtyard. Maybe boudoir. We get some dice, we get some steppies. We've got a coin beepy going on, and we can grab this gem that's in here. There's coat check. But I kinda don't want a dead end. Could go back down to the chapel. Let's grab it because we see it. I'm not gonna grab the key yet though, unless we draft the archive room. We'll set this to low. Change the offline mode to unlocked. I think that's all we can do. Let's see if we've missed anything. There's a key card somewhere. What? Oh, it's literally right there. Okay, so we can get into the doors, so we can change that to high if we want. Spare room upgrade. Spare bedroom, spare green room, spare hall. Excuse me. I don't know. Let's go spare green room. Green rooms are usually pretty nice to have. We'll go back in here. Set that to high. And we'll put that back to locked because we can get through security doors now. I don't super know what I'm looking for anymore, but I feel like these aren't it. I kind of want to go back down to the chapel and see what we can do from there. We've already drafted a bunch of bedrooms, so the nursery isn't super helpful. I could buy food. Let's put the kitchen here for now, but I'm not gonna go in. We're gonna head back. Oh wait, how high up are we? Ooh, I don't have this one. Tube and tub. It's an E? Okay, I do have this one. Never mind. What was in the drawing room? Can I see it from here? I don't super want to go back in. I need to pay attention to that. Let's get a set of gems. And let's get the running shoes. Save us some steps. Hopefully we can find a little bit more money if we head back to the kitchen. Okay, so we're going up through the hallway, the corridor, the den, into the courtyard. Ooh, corridor. as options. I don't super want to spend 2 gems on it, but... let's do the lab. Let's see what we can draft here as well. We'll do the pool. God, excuse me. Any beepies going on in here? No? We could start an experiment though. The next 3 times you open a locked trunk, I haven't found any locked trunks. When you draft a red room, lose 5 steps, and when you draft a hallway from another hallway. None of these sound very good, if I'm being completely honest. What if we set red rooms to set our steps to 40? That way, if we ever get below 40, I could draft a red room and get back up to 40. Did I look at the research logs? Oh, okay, that's just the other experiments I've done. Okay. What can we get here? A sauna. We haven't done the library yet. Let's do the library. Oh, beaupies. How high up are we? We're on 5. Camp. Tag. Tent. 10? Tent and 10, so that's a T. So the 5th word up is 8 as well. Additional reading. The house directory is a great resource for information. If you wish to read more about a specific room in your house, press R to pull up the directory. Okay. Book request form. Books and periodicals requested with this form will be pulled and available the next time you drop the library. Okay, cool. Sightseer's Guide to Reddington, Swimbird, The Fixed Stars, History of Arindia, EPCW Pump System, Drafting Strategy. Well, I guess let's start at the top. Can I go up these steps? Yes, I can. Okay. Is that where the beepies are coming from? Oh, okay. This is just records of my stuff. Is there anything else in here? Mount Holly scrapbook. My first claim ticket. Okay. Largest purchase. Okay, so it's just game stats. Where is this BB? Maybe it's in the pool? It is. Okay, cool. It's a key. Chart. Cart. It's an H. Yeah, that's part of 8. Well, I don't super want a dead end, and the office is too expensive. Okay, pump room. Yeah, that's free. Let's just keep going. Still don't super know what I need to do with the pumps, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is for now. I don't really want to do the dark room yet, because we would lose steps. I'm gonna redraw. I know it's my last. Oh, great, cool, awesome, thank you, wonderful. That helps. Let's go with the dark room. Lights turn off. Yeah, yup. Well, locker room. Okay. We do have a bunch of keys. I could maybe open some of these. Plain and Pain gives us an L. And we are 3 from the top. Plain and Pain. Okay, so we've got an L. Should have looked in the pump room. Gosh, this is so many lockers. I don't want to, like, open all of them. Let's open this door first. I don't have any gems. Wow. Alright. Oh, hey, look, a gem. Cool. I'm not in pain. You are. Kirk Darren is a pseudonym. Okay. Some money. A gem. I don't want to open all these lockers, so I'm going to stop there. We're going to run back to the kitchen, I guess. Oh. We've got more BBs. Oh, a key. Cool. Another key. I could have opened more of those lockers. What? More BBs. Another key. Okay. Finding a ton of keys now all of a sudden. Sure, we've got some money to burn. I can also buy fruit though, so we'll only buy 1 gem. Okay. Need to start trying to pay attention to what we get as far as... Are there pictures in here? There are. I'm gonna go in and look. Rain and grain, that gives us a G. Does the garage have a chess piece in it? I don't see one. Getting the BBs, another key. Go up into security. I still don't understand. What the first picture is supposed to be. Cliff? Beach? Can't waste all my time looking at that, so... A clock and a tie. Time and tie. That gives us an M. Okay, we're getting some of the upper letters going now. That's nice. How many green rooms do we got? Only 2. Let's go and get the club sandwich for now, because it's a bunch of steps. Not locked. I find that kind of surprising. I don't really want the gymnasium. Dining room. That's cool. Oh, and dinner is ready. Are there any BBs in here? We've got paint and pints, which gives us an A. Have ourselves a bit of pizza. Yummy, yummy. Well, the office is the only way to keep going. I don't think we're getting into room 46 in this run, but we did get a good amount of information. Money. I don't really feel like I need to spread money throughout the estate. Like I said, I feel like this run is pretty close to done. Just gonna see if we can get any more information. Maybe the archive room. It's gonna set our steps to 40, so that pizza we just ate is for naught. Let's keep going though. We have 6 stars. A gem and 2 chests in the entrance hall. Not super beneficial. I kind of wish I would have saved that, because we're nearing the end of the run. Maid's chamber, let's keep going. Always good. Lamp. light and flight. It gives us an okay. So we have I and F before the antechamber. So right here is if. And then I guess the antechamber acts as a space, maybe? But we don't have these two. There might be pictures in the antechamber. I shouldn't assume that there wouldn't be. This is chief and chef, which gives us the I. Have we looked at this? The day we all dreaded has finally arrived. It is with unprecedented sadness that we inform you of the death of our benefactor, employer, and master, the Baron of Mount Holly, H.S. Sinclair. Any staff who have an interest in attending services may contact Mrs. Babbage for details. In following the instructions left by the Baron himself, effective immediately, all work at Mount Holly is suspended. All live-in staff will have 1 month paid leave and must vacate the premises by Friday, November 6th. Mrs. Babbage. Veranda. A rather dirty coin. A turnip. Let's go with the sauna again, because this run is over. It's a pretty good run, but we'll call it a day here. I think we learned a lot of good information. Baronial Manor. 40 rooms. Rank 9 reached. 11 items, 6 new rooms. Go on and take the microchip. Let's go out and draft a room out here, see what we can get. It's a new day. Okay, so we have 2 microchips. Where go? I like items. Let's go with the tool shed. Magnifying glass, that's alright. Sledgehammer, that's nice. Don't really know what we'll need the magnifying glass for, but you never know. It could come in clutch. It helped us find the couple things. A lot less running around this morning, so we're gonna have even more steps than we did yesterday. Den. Nook. Got a gem, got a key. Spare green room. Early security wouldn't necessarily be bad. Could also go parlor. Let's go parlor. Gems are not in the white box or the blue box. Gems are in both the blue box and the black box, so that has to be false because they can only be in one box. Gems are in both the black box and the white box, so that has to be false as well. So this needs to be true. which means they're in here. Yeah! Sure, I mean, we might as well keep it moving. Get a free gem out of it, that's nice. This can be a dead end. Let's put coat check here. Normally I would go storeroom. But if we need that file cabinet key and we get the archives, I really would like to have the coat check to see if that key goes in there. Oh cool, a trunk. We have a sledgehammer, bonk. Key card, okay. Key card is good. We have so many gems, woof. Bride, by the way, I was editing and I slapped myself in the forehead because I was like, you're such an idiot, it's bride. What a goober I am sometimes. Early office? It's kind of... I don't want to spend the money. Let's get some... Or I don't want to spend the gems. Let's get some money instead. Okay, let's do security, because we have the key card, so we can set the doors to be really high, so that we can get through them easily.